In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Authenticator with Facebook. Let's launch the Facebook app. At the top menu, tap on the three vertical lines. In this menu, expand the Settings and Privacy tab. Now tap on Settings. In this menu, tap on Password and Security. In this menu, tap on Password and Security again. In the Password and Security menu, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. In this menu, tap on the Profile. Here you get 3 ways to enable two-factor authentication. Make sure that you select the Authentication app option and tap on Next. Here you will get the setup key for the Authenticator app. Tap on Copy Key to copy it. Now close Facebook and launch the Google Authenticator app. In the Authenticator app, tap on the plus icon. In this menu, tap on Enter a Setup Key. First, you have to give the name of the key. In the key section, paste the key you just copied from Facebook. After you are done, tap on Add. Here you can see that a code has been generated in the Authenticator app. Long press on the code to copy it from here. Go back to Facebook and tap on Next. Now, paste the code here. Remember that Google Authenticator generates a new code every 30 seconds, so you have to use the right code at the right time, otherwise it will not work. Now, tap on Next. In this menu, tap on Done. From now on, whenever you try to log into your account, you will have to provide the Authenticator code.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.